everyone, in this video I'm going to go over the violin fingerings for the G Major Arpeggio in 3 octaves. If you're new here, I've made this application myself and it's available on my Patreon. So how it works is I click on any note on the violin fingerboard and the note will show up on the piano keyboard and in the notation, so that way you can really understand what is happening. So feel free to pause the video at any point so you can analyze what the fingerings mean and how they show up in the notation. So what is an arpeggio? Well, it basically is a chord, but played one note at a time in a pattern like any other scale. So for a G major arpeggio, that is made with the notes G, B, and D. So here is our G major chord. So I'll reset here. And as I go through the scale, I'll say the numbers for the fingerings out loud. And you can, of course, then see the notes on screen. So it starts off with the open G string, second finger on G. Now you can play the next note with your fourth finger on G, but I prefer the open D string. And now, since we're doing 3 octaves, we need to shift up. So we'll shift up into third position, so that's your first finger on the D string. And we use the number 3 finger here, and then 1 on A. And now we need to shift up again. So it's your first finger on the G note here, and then again your third finger for the B, and then first finger on the E string. And now I like to use my fourth finger, but if you can really stretch and use your third, you can. And then it's the exact same pattern going backwards. So 4, 1, 3, 1, and then we shift back down into third position. So this is 1, and then 3 on the D string, 1. And now while we play the open D string, we will shift back down into first position. And then 2 on the G string, and then your open G string. And that is how you play the G Major Arpeggio on the violin in 3 octaves. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.